As of November 2022, there are 21,844 cryptocurrencies in existence, with millions and billions of coins or tokens created. The question you may have is how these coins are made. Cryptocurrencies are created in two ways: mining and minting. However, the focus of today's video is on cryptocurrency minting. It is possible to mint any coin or token, but it's much easier to mint a token, such as the XEN token, which was launched on October 8, 2022. The XEN token has taken the crypto world by storm, accounting for more than 40% of all transactions on the Ethereum network. The token has no maximum supply and can be minted by anyone who interacts with the XEN network contract. The good news is that the token is completely free to create. So how exactly do you mint XEN? Find out in this video. Hello and welcome to the Crypto Channel. Before we get into how to mint XEN, let's define cryptocurrency minting. Cryptocurrency minting is the process of creating new cryptocurrencies by validating data, generating new blocks, and recording the validated data on a blockchain network, such as proof-of-stake consensus. This is distinct from crypto mining, which employs the proof-of-work consensus to generate coins. Proof-of-stake consensus simply means that coins or tokens are created by validating transactions through staking. Staking refers to the act of locking existing assets in order to validate transactions. Once the coin has been staked, they can no longer be traded. If you do, you risk losing your crypto security. The good thing about crypto mining process is that it is decentralized, and so anyone interested in creating crypto tokens could use crypto minting instead of relying on central regulatory authorities. Users involved in the process of minting are called validators. So how do you mint XEN token? XEN Crypto is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain, and it is based on cryptographic principles such as decentralization, self-custody, transparency, and consensus-based trust. You can mine XEN on 5 different networks, including Ethereum and BSC, but for the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on the Ethereum network. So, step 1. Create a crypto wallet. You must do this because XEN is a crypto token, and you will need one to mint it. You can create a web wallet, desktop wallet, or a mobile wallet, whatever you choose. Make sure to download a cryptocurrency wallet and create an account that allows you to buy Ethereum easily. If you are unsure about which wallets to use, you can watch our video on how to keep your wallet safe. Step 2. Buy Ethereum as your base currency. If you're wondering why you're buying Ethereum, here's why. Although minting XEN is free, you must pay the network's or Ethereum's gas fee in order to do so. The Ethereum gas fee for one account is usually set at a minimum of $6. The amount of Ethereum you purchase is determined by the number of XEN minting accounts you desire, as you can have multiple minting accounts. If you don't know how to buy Ethereum, simply follow the instructions provided by the app or website from which you are purchasing Ethereum. Just make sure to thoroughly and precisely copy the Ethereum address you intend to purchase to in order to avoid losing your coin. Step 3. Download and install the MetaMask app. MetaMask is one of the most integrated cryptocurrency wallet that is a part of the Ethereum network. All you have to do is download the MetaMask application from a supported browser. For convenience and accessibility, Chrome or Firefox are recommended as some other browsers do not support its download. Download the wallet extension for Chrome or Firefox. Regardless of whether you are using a desktop or smartphone, make sure you are downloading the wallet's official Chrome or Firefox extension by going to the MetaMask website. Step 4. Create and configure your MetaMask wallet. If you're new to MetaMask, the app will walk you through the setup process. You can also go to their website and follow the instructions there. If you already have a MetaMask wallet, register a new account to connect to the XEN contract for security reasons. If you want to create XEN in large quantities, you can do so by opening multiple accounts. Step 5. After configuring your MetaMask, the next step is to send the Ethereum you have bought to the MetaMask wallet you want to use for minting. You are sending Ethereum as the gas fee required to create the free XEN. Click the Ethereum wallet in your Coinbase account or on the platform you're using. Then hit Send to complete this. You'll need to enter the address you wish to send it to on a new tab that will appear. Copy the public address of the MetaMask account you create to mint your XEN. Enter it in the appropriate field in your Coinbase account, and then click the Send button. Before we proceed with the rest of the video, make sure to check out the rest of the videos on our channel, like and comment on this video, and subscribe to never miss a video. Step 6. Visit XEN.network, which has the XEN contract and access to XEN minting. All you have to do is visit the website and link your newly created MetaMask account to it in order to start minting XEN. Select the Ethereum network platform when it first opens, then connect the MetaMask wallet you want to use for that specific mint. You can accomplish this by clicking the Connect Wallet icon in the top right corner of the website. And finally, Step 7. Decide which mint term you prefer. This would be the number of days you would be minting for. Once your wallet is connected to XEN.network, a tab displaying the minting term will appear. Choose the term for the mint that best suits your needs and your budget. Press the Commence Minting button once you finish this. To complete the transaction, press the Confirm button. A new tab will appear that displays information such as your rank, the days left for minting, potential returns, and EAA, and more. Following that, your XEN minting will begin till the predicted day. That's all there is to creating XEN crypto. Remember that you can mint XEN across multiple accounts by using the MetaMask wallet. Simply create as many accounts as you want, use the same procedure to purchase Ethereum, send it to each MetaMask account you created, and repeat the remaining steps for each account. Furthermore, as seen when loading the XEN.network page, XEN minting can take place on a variety of networks. The procedure is the same. Simply use the network that is best for you and follow the steps we mentioned. One last thing before we wrap up the video. How do you redeem your newly issued XEN? Firstly, once the time you fixed for minting is over, go back to the XEN.network and connect your wallet. Ensure that you have enough Ethereum to cover the gas fee. Next, claim your token. When you visit XEN.network, a claim button will appear at the bottom of the Load tab after the page is loaded. Allow the XEN to be claimed by pressing the Claim button. An Add XEN to Wallet button will then appear. Connect to the network wallet you used by clicking it. You would have your newly created XEN right there. You should also be aware that you can only claim your token at the end of the waiting period, and there's a penalty for failing to claim your tokens on time. Each day you wait after the end date to claim your token, a percentage of it is lost. A day more than 7 days after the end date may result in you losing your minted tokens or being unable to claim them at all. So to avoid losing your tokens, make sure you claim it as soon as the minting ends. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts on this video, please share them in the comments section below. Also, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies and stay up to date on the latest news in the crypto space, turn on the notifications button so you are notified whenever we upload new videos like this.